First question, a little bit backstory. I'm a homeschooled 16-year-old, and I have 24 active customers that I have to take care of. And this summer and spring, I was wondering, I'm really torn in between the decision of should I grow, grab an employee, and let him work while I'm doing school, or should I just lay back and deal with what I have?
Got it. And what's your goal for the business, bud? Are you trying to grow it once you get out of school? Or are you just trying to make money on the side while you're in school? What's sort of the long-term vision that you have currently?
I plan on growing it as big as I can after school.
Okay. And then do you have anyone that you already know would be able to be your employee while you're working in school?
No, no, I don't.
Got it. And then right now, what's your hourly rate that you're charging customers approximately? Do you kind of know what that number is?
About 80,
Eighty,
about $80
80
an
an
hour.
hour? Okay, cool. So right now,
Mhm.
your monthly revenue, what does that look like?
Uh, Shoot, I don't even know.
You're good.
I know that we did about 34,000 last year.
Good for you. Good for you.
I do know that.
All right. So then it really just becomes a question of can you find someone that's willing to work part time, right? Because I would imagine unless this
Mhm,
year you 5 or 6x, like you literally get to 100, 150 customers, unless you do that, you're probably looking for someone part time. And so the question is, can you find
mhm,
someone that can work part time while you're in school? And if you're going to do that, you're going to have to pay them pretty good because they're first off, they're not going to be able to be school age. They're going to have to be older than you. And secondly, you're not going to be
mhm,
able to be reactive when they have problems throughout the day. They're going to have to figure things out on their own. So they're going to need some level of experience or just like life experience because they're going to basically have to do things. When things go wrong, they're going to have to figure it out. And so I would just
mhm.
say, have a certain benchmark. Like, how many customers do you think you can serve without having to hire someone and you manage them? So if you do a few each evening and then on the weekends, like, do you think you can get to maybe like 30, 35 customers and then you're kind of tapped out?
I mean, I think I could do 40 actually, because
Okay.
it's me and my brother that are doing this, but I plan on growing the business. So,
Got it. So in this case, this would
uh,
be my recommendation. You got 2 more years of school. I would recommend personally, and this is not the right advice for everyone, but like I'd just get to 40 customers and raise your prices to make sure that if you get starting 42, 43, raise your prices on everybody. Like you will make more profit,
mhm,
I believe, in the next couple of years if you just did that because you're not going to get insurance, worry about payroll, all these other headaches that's going to come along with getting one employee and reducing your you're going to reduce your net profit margins massively. Whereas right now, like it's you and your brother, you're
mhm,
making a bunch of money. Get to 40 customers. When it starts getting above that, just raise your prices more and more and more until you're charging like $100 an hour. You're going to come out of school. You're going to be making good money, and then go higher, right? And get like focus right now on
mhm,
school, making good profits on the jobs that you do have, and then just live life as a 16-year-old. When you come out at 18, 19, you graduate. Now you literally have a business that's super profitable. You have 40, 50, like you have solid route to build on top of. I'd just do that because I think you'll make
mhm,
just as much money, if not more money, if you just focus on making those current 40 lawns really, really profitable versus trying to get to 80 or 90 or 100, but you got all this extra overhead caused by having a new employee.